Hi guys, welcome to another segment of Legal Friday with me, Francine. So I got a call the other day and it was really an interesting call. The question they asked was simply, do I always need to put the copyright notice symbol on my work? So let's first step back. What is copyright notice? What does it mean to put someone on notice? Well, simply put, it means you are telling the world that you lay claim to this creative piece of work, that in fact, you claim yourself to be the copyright owner of this creative copyrightable content. That's simply put what notice is all about. But what does it look like? How does notice show up? Well, it shows up in a number of different ways, but there are three pieces, three components to copyright notice. Number one, it has to either have the word spelled out, COPYRIGHT, or the abbreviation for copyright, which is COPR, or the C in the circle. Not all three, because that becomes redundant. They mean the same thing. So it needs to be either the C in the circle, the abbreviation for copyright, or the word spelled out. Then you need to have the year of first publication. So let's say you create the work this year and you put it out into the universe this year, 2022. So the year of first publication is going to be 2022. And then you want to have the owner of the copyright. So do you own it as an individual, or do you own that copyright through your company? Whatever it is, that's going to be the owner of the copyright. So again, the word copyright or the abbreviation for copyright or the C in the circle, plus the year first publication, plus the owner of the copyright. That's what copyright notice looks like. Okay, so then going back to the question, do you need to have the copyright notice symbol on your work? And the answer is no, you don't. It is no longer required by law. It used to be prior to 1989, but today you do not have to have the copyright notice symbol on your work. But is it a good idea for you to have it? Absolutely. Absolutely. Why? Because again, it puts the world on notice that you lay claim to that copyrightable content, that you are claiming yourself to be the owner. What would be the problem if you don't put it there? Well, if you don't put it there and someone sees that content, maybe it's a photograph, maybe it's an article, whatever it is, they may think, if they don't see that notice symbol, that it is free for them to use in whatever they want. Because if they don't see that anybody's claiming ownership, well, they might as well go and take it. So that's it for today. Do you need to use the copyright notice symbol? Again, no. But is it a smart idea? Absolutely. That's it for now. I'm Francine. This is Legal Friday with me, Francine. Until next week, have a great weekend. Bye, guys.